Hello all. Now we are going to discuss some more problems. This will be helpful for the primary students when they appear for some competitive exams. Okay. Now the problems is related to number formation. Okay? In various competitive exams, you will get the problems like this. They will give some 4-5 numbers and they will ask you to find the biggest number by using those numbers. Okay. So we'll discuss one problem. Okay. Mahesh is playing a card game. Okay, he's playing cards and he's having the cards like 4, 2, 9, 5. Okay, then his brother asked Mahesh what is the maximum number that he can frame, that is the maximum 4-digit number that he can frame by using each number only one time. Okay, so the question here is that maximum number. To solve this problem in a less than 30 seconds, the best method is whatever the unique numbers he is having, just arrange the numbers in descending. Because why descending? Because the numbers, maximum number he has. So always we need to follow the logic, arrange the numbers in descending way. So what is the highest number? 9. Next highest number? 5. Next highest number? 4. Next highest number? 2. So the maximum highest number formed is 9542. Okay, this is one logic. And suppose for the same question, if Mahesh brother asks what is the smallest number that he can form by using the 4 digits. Okay, smallest number. So smallest numbers means what? Smallest to 4-digit number. Each number has to be used only once. So the logic is that arrange the numbers in ascending order. So the smallest number is 2. Next smallest number is 4, next smallest number is 5, next number is 9. That is, smallest number formed is 2459 and biggest number formed is 9542. So whenever such type of problems come, when the question came like maximum number, always follow the logic descending and make sure the numbers are unique. Okay, and when smallest number means always follow the logic ascending order. This will be very helpful. Now we'll see one more problems. These problems looks very simple, and but sometimes due to confusion you may choose the wrong answer. I'm talking with respect to the primary students. Okay, here the problem is given as 8496 and 8596. So which symbol will come over? Whether we should use greater than or less than. So in that case, no need of reading the complete number because both are 4 digits. So compare the number 84 and 85. Okay, because these are 100, the 1000 place and this is 100 place. This is 1000 place and this is 100 place. So 84 is less than 85. Definitely it should be less than, because 8496 is less than 8596. So this is one of the simplest method. Okay, and we'll discuss one more problem. Okay, there is a number given. That number is 100. Okay. How many times number 5? How many times number 5 should be subtracted to get the value as 0? How many times number 5 should be subtracted from 100 to get the value as 0? Okay. There are various methods. You can do manual also, but simplest method is that in 5 table, when you will get to 100, that is 5 into 20. What is the value? 5 into 20 is 100. So when you subtract 20 times 5 from the value 100, you will get the answer as 0. See, looks like the problem is simple, but when you do manually, it will take time. So follow this method. We will discuss some more problems which are very easy, but in exam it may cause confused. Okay. What is the smallest? The given number is 99. Okay. What is the smallest digit that can be added to 99 to get smallest to 3-digit number? Okay. So here, what is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. So just add 1 to 99. So the answer is 1. Because the question is 99 is a given number. What is the smallest number that can be added to 99 to get the smallest to 3-digit number? That is, what we know, smallest 3-digit number is 100. So just add 1 over here. Okay. And similar way, now we have seen 2 digit and 3 digit. Okay. Similar way, 999. What is the smallest number can be added to 999 to get the smallest 4 digit number? Okay. What is the smallest 4 digit number? 1000. Because 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. Okay. So just add 1 over here. So 999 plus 1, that will give the value as 1000. Okay. This is like the smallest 4 digit number. But if in the same question, if the question given like, what is the value to be added 999 to get the highest 4 digit number? Okay. In this case, what? Highest 4 digit number means what? Definitely it should be 9999. That is 9999. So already the given number is what? 999. So just add 9000. So 9000 plus 999. That is 9999. That is 9999. That will give. So when you add 9000 to the given number, then you will get the highest 4 digit number. Okay. This is the relation between when the given number is 3 digit, and if you want to find the smallest 4 digit, and if you want to find the highest 4 digit number. Now we will see one more problem. These are all small problems. These I'm taking these problems with respect to the primary students only. Okay. Now, what is the number given is 9999. What is the value, smallest value I can add to this number to form the highest 5 digit number? Highest 5 digit number. The question I am repeating again. What is the value I need to add to this number to get the highest 5 digit number? Okay. So simple answer. What is the highest 5 digit number? 99,999. So just add 90,000. Okay. Why 90,000? Because already the first 4 digits are occupied with 9999. So if you add 90,000, it will give the value 99,999. Okay. But if you want to form the smallest 5 digit number, what number should be added to 9,999? Because smallest 5 digit number is what? That is 10,000. 10,000. So just add 1 over here. That will give the smallest 5 digit number. So the logic is, we should know what is the smallest 5 digit number, what is the highest 5 digit number. So if you know the value, now we have taken 999, but for the given problem, just add the related plus values and minus values, you will get the required answer. Now we'll see some more interesting problem. This is also for primary students only. Okay, and here the logic is, in many exams you will get the problems like this. The word match is written as NBUDI. Then in the exam you will get questions in this form. Then what will be written as camel? If match is written as NBUDI, okay, then what will be the value for camel? Okay, so first to simply see the words, whatever the given the words, and apply the logic. After M, what letter will come? That is N. After A, what letter will come? B. After T, the letter U will come. After C, the letter D will come. After H, the letter I will come. So simply apply the same logic here. After C, what letter will come? D. After A, B. After M, N. After E, F. After L, M. Okay. So just to, this is the way we can find the answer in the simplest way. That is, you are finding the relationship between the given word and the form word, and same logic should be applied to the given question, because camel is given. So we need to apply the same logic. So we have taken the next letter for successor to each letter. So the word form. This is all related to the logical part and various logical reasoning question and number formation questions. Okay, just apply the logic by seeing the question. First we need to read the question thoroughly, then we can answer the questions very efficiently. Means less than 1 minute only we can answer these questions. Thank you all.